State track hits the famed Blue Oval in 10 days. One Marshalltown senior has waited a long time to make history. John Sears with more on the Bobcat making noise on and off the track.
When Marshalltown senior Deontay Dean hits the track, it's all business.
I love it. I love it.
He's as motivated as any kid I've ever had.
It's always been something that's kind of came easy to me.
Speed to burn. Deontay is the state leader in the 200-meter dash and second in the 100.
Sprinting is something that's overlooked by a lot of people. They just think you get up and you run. No, there's a lot of mechanics that come to it.
As I'm watching him, I'm in my mind, seeing him as he shifts gears.
I get really excited, and that's why my husband, he has to work the camera because I can't cheer for him, and I get too distracted.
Deontay tried other sports when he was younger, but track was always number one.
It's my passion, it's my escape from everything. When times are tough, I have this to lean on.
He lives it and breathes it.
And he's hoping to make some history for the Bobcats.
I don't think anybody's won the 200 from Marshalltown since I think maybe mid-70s, somewhere in there.
Something that's been in my head ever since I was 11, it's something that's kind of like just, I've been sitting in my bed looking at the ceiling, being like, just thinking about what it would be like.
And when Deontay isn't on the track, you can find him on stage.
Capital ship for an ocean trip was the walloping window blind. No wind that blew dismayed her crew or troubled the captain's mind.
I've grown up always singing You Couldn't Stop Me. It's just something that came naturally.
There are times he would wake up the birds singing because he was definitely, he just had it in him.
Track comes with its stressful moments, and that's the times when I can lean on singing.
He brings that emotion with his singing, and people feel it, and so we're just real proud of him.
A boat that can carry two.
Adversity is something all athletes and performers go through, but that's nothing new for Deontay. He's been battling adversity since the day he was born.
I was born with microtia, which is an ear deformation, which means my ear is basically small and it's deformed, and I don't have a hole in the ear, so it's really hard to hear some people sometimes.
And that presented challenges growing up.
School was really hard for a while because I just constantly get asked what's wrong with his ear, or the kid would be next to his mom and be like, Mom, what's wrong with him? Or,
He just overcame it to the point where, hey, I'm Deontay and I can do this. And we don't want to be cocky, but just confident that whatever you, like you say, you set your mind to, you never know.
It doesn't stop him from doing whatever he wants to do, and he's just a great kid.
With perspective beyond his years.
I kind of embrace it now, and I really like to inspire kids with other deformations or disabilities. It doesn't limit me from anything. My mom always said God presented me with a gift He knew I could handle, and it doesn't change me as a person.
One might say it's helped make Deontay the person he is today.
This is what I love. It's what I love to do, and that's all you can do at the end of the day is worry about yourself and control yourself.
John Sears.
We're very proud of him.
WHO 13 Sports.
10,000 miles away.
Way to go, Deontay.